Na tombeli mbula elamo, mbula ya cheval elamo, na peuple nyonso ya Chine, na population ya Guangdong, na population ya Guangzhou, pe na bapaya nyonso oyo bavandi na ekolo Chine. Mbula oyo ezala mbula oyo kimia ekozongela na bituka nyonso ya mokili mobimba. Ezala ata na Afrique, ezala ata na Amerika, ezala ata na Asie, na Amerique latine, na bikolo nyonso na Moyen-Orient, kimia ezongela. Mpunda, cheval, emema kimia besika nyonso oyo bitumba bizali, bongo bitumbango esila.
Feliz año del caballo, queridos amigos. Nosotros en el Perú tenemos también un caballo muy singular, de un paso muy elegante y que nos representa también frente a otros países, pues es un animal que llegó al Perú mucho tiempo atrás y ha sido adoptado.
Huu ni mwaka mpya. Kwa hapa China tunasherehekea mwaka mpya wa farasi. Na mwaka mpya wa farasi maana yake ni kwamba tunatakiwa tuwe tuna nguvu nyingi na tuwe tuna kasi nyingi kama zilivyo sifa za farasi. Kwa hiyo ninaomba kutumia fursa hii kuwatakia heri ya mwaka mpya watu wote na tuwe na mafanikio sawa na nguvu na kasi ya farasi. Heri ya mwaka mpya.
On the equation of the Lunar New Year of the Horse 2026, the Consuls General of the Republic of Indonesia extends its warmest wishes to all our friends for a happy, healthy, and prosperous year ahead. In Indonesia, particularly on islands like Sumba and Lombok, horse represents prestige, power, resilience, and tradition, rather than only a transport. May the year of the horse inspire us all to move forward together with strength, reliability, and a shared goal. Happy Lunar New Year! Sin Nen Quan Le.
In occasione del Capodanno lunare vorrei esprimere a tutti i nostri amici cinesi, ai nostri partner e alle istituzioni che partecipano alle attività del Consolato Generale d'Italia a Canton uno splendido nuovo anno del cavallo di fuoco, che sia ricco di soddisfazioni e portatore di benessere, di pace e di stabilità per le nostre comunità e i nostri paesi.
Xinyan Kuaila to all my Chinese friends around Guangzhou and all over China. This year we do not wait for success. Just like the horses, we chase success. I'm wishing everybody a year where you're chasing success and may you be very, very fruitful in everything that you do.
Feliz Ano Novo a todos. Feliz Ano Novo do cavalo. Cavalo is horse in Portuguese language, which we speak in Brazil. So horse in Brazil means many good things. It means strength, but it also means sweetness. So I wish you all a very happy year of the horse, full of strength and sweetness. Ma Nin Kwa Lo.
I know the year of the horse is very special in China, and British people definitely relate to the love of the horse, whether it's horse racing at the Royal Ascot, hunting on horseback, or riding a horse through the forests of England. Many of us grew up loving this animal. 祝大家马年大吉，马到成功。
大家你好 The Year of the Horse is celebrated across Canada. We have about 2 million Canadians who are of Chinese origin, and many other Canadians also celebrate the New Year. So I know this means a lot to our Canadian friends and also around the world. So, 春节快乐，马年大吉。
祝大家马年吉祥如意，恭喜发财。Wild horses in Australia are called brumbies, and they're often associated with strength, freedom, and resilience. Happy New Year of the Horse.
Desde el Consulado Argentino en Guangzhou queremos desearles un muy feliz Año Nuevo del Caballo. In Argentina, horse means the loyal companion of gaucho, which embodies the independence and bravery of rural life. Happy New Year!
On the occasion of the Lunar New Year of the Horse, I extend my warmest wishes to our friends and partners for a happy, healthy and prosperous year ahead. In Chinese culture, the horse symbolizes vitality, progress and leadership, the spirit of moving forward with confidence. In Swiss culture as well, horses have long played an essential role in transport. As vital partners in transportation and human endeavors, horses embody endurance, trustworthiness and hard work, values that are closely linked to Switzerland's image as a reliable and steady partner. May the Year of the Horse inspire us all to move forward together with strength, reliability and shared purpose, and to further deepen the friendship and cooperation in the year to come. Happy Lunar New Year!
On behalf of the U.S. Consul General in Guangzhou, I wish you all a happy, healthy and prosperous Year of the Horse. Longma Jingsang!
Καλή χρονιά σε όλους, με υγεία, ειρήνη, αγάπη και δημιουργικότητα σε όλους τους φίλους μας στη Νότια Κίνα και καλώς ήλθατε στο νέο Γενικό Προξενείο της Ελλάδας στην Guangzhou. In Greek culture, the horse, like in China, represents strength, beauty, intelligence and vitality. Therefore, I hope that the Greek and Chinese relationship in the Year of the Horse will be one of wisdom and success.
Kia ora koutou katoa. I wish everyone a happy Year of the Horse. In New Zealand, horses are closely connected with our beautiful landscapes and rural life. They symbolise freedom, movement and progress. And these values are also reflected in the Māori concept of haere whakamua, moving forward together into the future. And this shares a similar meaning to the horse in China, meaning progress, vitality and energy to go further.
चिनिया नयाँ वर्ष 2026 को उपलक्ष्यमा मेरा सम्पूर्ण चिनिया साथीहरूलाई हार्दिक मङ्गलमय शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्दछु।
So for 2026 is the year of the fire horse. So as we know, the fire horse actually represents vitality, energy and prosperity. So with that, I wish people around the world with energy, vitality and prosperity.
เนื่องในโอกาสเทศกาลตรุษจีนสำหรับปีม้าที่เป็นสัญลักษณ์ของความขยันและความก้าวหน้าผมขอส่งคำอวยพรให้ทุกท่านมีสุขภาพแข็งแรงเพื่อเดินหน้าสู่ปีใหม่ด้วยความสุขและความสำเร็จที่ยิ่งใหญ่ครับ
En ce début de l'année du cheval de feu, j'adresse mes vœux de bonheur, de santé et de prospérité les plus chaleureux à toutes et à tous, ici dans la province du Guangdong et dans toute la Chine du Sud. Dans la culture française, le cheval symbolise l'énergie, la force et l'élan vers l'avenir. Nous partageons en cela des caractéristiques propres à la culture chinoise, ce qui montre la proximité qui existe entre les peuples chinois et français. Alors puissions-nous, forts de cette énergie partagée, avancer ensemble vers une année de paix, de coopération fructueuse et de bonheur pour tous.
I extend my warmest greetings of the new year to the people of Guangzhou, Greater Bay Area, and all our Chinese friends across the globe. On behalf of the people of Pakistan, I wish you a happy, healthy, and prosperous Year of the Horse. Horse is a symbol of strength, of confidence, and of progress in our country as well. So this year will bring more confidence, more strength to our bilateral relations as well.
سال عصر رو به همه مردم جهان تبریک میگم.
Happy Chinese New Year, friends from China. Tianma Xing Kong. This year is the Chinese Lunar New Year of the horse. In Sri Lankan culture, horse represent the speed and the strength.
Türkiye Cumhuriyeti Başkonsolosu olarak Çinli dostlarımızın yeni yılını en içten duygu ve düşüncelerle kutlar. At yılının halklarımıza başta sağlık, huzur, mutluluk getirmesini dilerim. Yeni bir Guangzhou'lu olarak kentin, yöneticilerinin, sakinlerinin, dost ve arkadaşlarımızın at yılını en içten dileklerle kutlarım.
In Uruguay, the horse is the most important animal. It is part of our national shield and it is part of our everyday life. Feliz Año Nuevo. Les deseamos a todos los amigos en China un año del caballo muy próspero.
Quiero desearles un muy feliz año del caballo. The horse is a very admired and very beautiful animal in Mexico. So we wish for this year to be as positive and as beautiful as a horse.
Kedves barátaim a világ minden tájáról, boldog új évet kívánok mindannyiunknak. The white horse has a very special meaning in Hungarian culture. In our famous tale, Son of the White Mare, it symbolizes strength and renewal, helping our hero to overcome challenges to create a better future. I believe these values are deeply shared in our culture.